month is February, and we are on fishing grounds about 70 miles off the Norwegian coast. We are after mackerel with the Norwegian purse seiner Karl Andreas. Norwegian fishermen use the ring net while fishing in the North Sea for herring and mackerel. They are well aware of the need for modern and reliable equipment that can bring in the big catches. 600 to 700 tons of herring or 500 tons of mackerel in one catch is quite usual on board these modern Norwegian purse seiners. Sonar and echo sounders are in constant use during these operations. Here's a good concentration of mackerel. Clutch in the Norwinch, and out goes the bass boat with the master fisherman on board. He will watch the fish and direct the mother ship. How big is the net? It's 300 to 400 fathoms long and 70 to 100 fathoms deep, big enough to cover the whole of St. Paul's Cathedral. Karl Andreas encircles the fish to pick up the net end and purse line when reaching the other end. The net is set, and the extension line is running out. This extension line will lead the net to the triplex net roller. The buoy is taken on board, the first line detached from the net and attached to the Norwinch through the davy and leading blocks on deck. Helpers arrive to offer their assistance. They are all eager to get the job of keeping the mothership from drifting into her own net. Pursing is in operation. The Norwinch is used for closing the bottom of the net and lifting of rings. The speed of the Norwinch may be adjusted to the speed required. This depends upon the depth of the fish. The usual way is to close the net as soon as possible. The Norwinch, therefore, works at high speed during this operation. To scare the fish away from the opening, coloured bombs are sunk to the bottom of the net. The opening in the net is closed, and ring lifting is going on. In order to gain maximum pull, the speed of the Norwinch is reduced. To prevent overload and breakage, the Norwinch is provided with a relief valve, a precaution vital in bad weather and heavy seas. Down to attach the ring leading wire from the purse seine davit to the upper deck. There the wire is leading the rings from the davit to the net platform where the ring pole is located. Plastic buoys are fastened to the net bag to prevent the floats from sinking with the weight of fish. The net is now led from the triplex net hauler over the distribution roller to the net platform. I wonder how much this time. Time for a break. Again, the Norwinch is put to use, this time to lower the fish pump into the net. The catch is sucked up and led through different tunnels to separate fish and water. The fish are loaded evenly on both sides of the hold. Is he pinching his lunch? It's not a big catch this time, but no one's disappointed. All the purse line goes back on one drum, so making ready for the next catch only takes a few minutes. We are back in Bergen, where they manufacture the Norwinch. Norwinch low-pressure hydraulic winches are simple and easy to operate, have a rugged construction, are noiseless, smooth and flexible in operation, and not influenced by humidity. 800 ships of all sizes were fitted out with Norwinch hydraulic deck machinery throughout the world in 1966. Of these were more than 100 modern purse seiners. Here's another purse seiner equipped by Norwinch, leaving Bergen harbour heading for the big catches. Effective purse seiners need effective winches. Only the very best equipment is good enough for fishing today.